In this video, I'll show you how to send NFTs from your Phantom wallet to your Magic Eden wallet. First and foremost, go ahead and open your Phantom wallet on your device. Make sure you're signed in into your wallet where NFT tokens are available. So in here, go ahead and head over into the NFT section. You'll find it beside the home section. As you can see in here, I currently don't have collectibles of NFT, but if you do have collectibles of NFT that you can actually get from other websites and application, you'll be able to find that in this section. If you have actually connected that to your Phantom wallet account, go ahead and select the NFT that you want to send to your Magic Eden account. Check the network of that NFT. Now after you check the network of that NFT, head over into your Magic Eden wallet, and here head over into the portfolio section of your Magic Eden wallet. Head over to the collectibles section under portfolio and click on the receive NFTs button. So in here, go ahead and copy the address of the network of the NFT that you want to receive from your Phantom wallet to your Magic Eden account, and that is basically how you can send NFTs from Phantom wallet to Magic Eden. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.